Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is there with a very inspiring story of one of our student, Miss Divya. So Divya has done her master's from Central University of Gujarat in environmental sciences, and before that she did her B.Sc in life sciences from University of Delhi. She was studying with us in the live online program in the regular mode. She qualified her JRF in the very first attempt with a very good score, and then onwards, the faculty members of the A.S.S Science Foundation are working with her on her projects and interviews regarding the Ph.D. In that series, Divya have qualified the positions at Premier Institute of India, such as IIT Delhi for CRDT, then Indian Institute of Science Education Research Mohali, and CSI and NEERI Nagpur. All the places she qualified the interview and got the final selection in the PhD program. Finally, she will be joining the IIT Delhi for pursuing her PhD program. So this shows the quality, guidance, and deep-rooted environmental science education by A.S.S Science Foundation. On such a remarkable feat, the entire faculty team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Divya for getting her JRF in the very first go and qualifying the interview of prestigious institutes in India, where doing research is a dream for every student. On such a remarkable feat, we would like to congratulate Divya and wish her good luck for the PhD program at IIT Delhi. At present, the institute is offering offline, live online, correspondence with video, only correspondence, and mentorship program for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences, June 2026. Along with that, the institute is also offering GATE Environmental Science and Engineering, along with Ecology and Evolution for 2027. Institute also offers CUET Environmental Sciences and Life Sciences Specialized Program, along with the interviews guidelines. So those who are interested in achieving their aims in the very first go, they are most welcome. They can reach us on through our websites or the given contact number. Thank you.